So my Acura is less than 2 years old, and I'm getting a notification on my dashboard that my key fob battery is getting low. So this is like the easiest key fob battery to change because you don't need any extra tools. Everything is built into the key. So the first step that you're going to do is you're going to push in this button. This button all the way at the bottom, you might have not even known it was there. Push that in, and then this releases your mechanical key. If you haven't changed the battery and you're stuck outside your car, this could get you into the car. And if you want to start the car, you just have to press the start button with the key. But to change it is really easy too. So if you look in here, right here, so it's going to be facing the back of the key where there's no buttons. There's going to be a little tab, perfect size to fit this key in. So you take your mechanical key, and right here, we're just going to pry it apart. It may seem like it's tight, but it will pry open. It won't break. And then this piece comes off, and then this gives you access to your key. So you could just remove that battery, and then now you just get a brand new battery, put it in, and then to put everything back together, what you're going to do is you're going to take it, snaps right back in, and then your mechanical key goes like this. Super easy. Don't get worried if it's saying that your key battery is getting low. One of the easiest batteries to change.